3 to 4 weeks back, I made a research report on Eureka Forbes. I'm going to read the overview which I wrote in it right now. So, Eureka Forbes Limited is a consumer electronics company operating in the healthcare segment. Initially started with selling vacuum cleaners. The company actually pioneered the home water purifier in India and is currently the market leader in both vacuum cleaners and water purifier segments. The company has had an uneven growth story with multiple changes in owners affecting its growth. It's currently owned by Advent International, which is a US-based private equity firm which acquired Eureka Forbes in the year 2022. This firm quickly changed the management and went hands-on to change the trajectory of the company. They hired a dynamic CEO, Prakhar, who has a history of transforming businesses, especially his stint at Jubilant Foodworks, which escalated him to celebrity status. We believe this new management and the promoters' vested interests will bring about a revolutionary change in the segments it operates in and widening the penetration of their products and increasing their total addressable market. The company also has entered the air purifier category, which is which is basically immaterial right now, less than 10% of their revenue. But one of their biggest products is the maintenance and servicing of their water purifiers, which is more than 30% of their revenue every year. And the company is currently focusing on bringing new innovations to reduce their cost overheads in this maintenance and service segment and make it leaner and more profitable. This segment is actually the most profitable segment because of lower costs, and the company is looking forward to even optimize the costs further in both this and the manufacturing and selling of purifier segment. The growth engines of the company right now are: the government is committed to provide electrification and piped water supply to every household in the country, and that has almost been achieved with over 96% of homes in India currently electrified and piped water reaching a staggering 77% of households in 2024, which was just 17% in 2019. This transformative shift will improve the quality of life of the citizens, but it will also expand the market potential of Eureka Forbes, creating opportunity for growth in both urban and rural sectors. In the post-COVID era, there is also a higher awareness of cleanliness in general, drinking water which is pure, breathing in cleaner air, living in cleaner surroundings. So which are all the three segments the company operates in, basically: water purifier, air purifier, and vacuum cleaners to clean your homes. So the company will directly benefit from this improved healthcare sensitization of the masses. Eureka Forbes is in a strategically sound position because of the brand recall of aquaguard, because aquaguard is as synonymous of water purifiers as jacuzzi is for hot water baths. So you go to a store, most people say you want to buy an aquaguard instead of saying you want to buy a water purifier. That's how strong the brand recall for the company is. The company is also focusing on increasing their entire total addressable market, because currently they are the market leaders in both vacuum cleaners and water purifiers. So the responsibility of improving their reach, their TAM, is entirely up to them, and this is painting a bad picture here, but the continuously deteriorating quality of water and air around us is a huge tailwind for the company. So this can bring this tailwind can propel the company to greater heights. There is also something extremely unique and amazing about the company, where entire middle management has been given ESOPs of a company. This initiative is very rare in such old organizations, but this change was brought about by the new management, and this ensures medium risk taking and reward maximizing decisions, which will reward all stakeholders of the company. The company has also introduced a premium range, higher ticket size, trying to capture more of the market, introducing groundbreaking models. They have won a few Red Dot Awards for design, innovation in their water purifiers as well. So, and robotic vacuum cleaners, competing with Dyson in that space at a much lesser price than Dyson. So, that space will also be something great to look out for. So I think this is it for the basic analysis of the company's products. Of course, I did not speak about the service business, which is, mind you, which is more than a third of the company's revenues. And this is a recurring business. Everyone who buys Eureka Forbes and aquaguard, they mostly buy company sponsored service. Some do, but most do not, because they feel that a service provider from the outside, a third party, would give better return, would give a better job at a lower price. But the company is trying to market their product. They have reduced the prices in servicing to compete with them as well, and they have introduced QR codes so that the consumers can verify whether the replacement carbon filters and parts are original and made by Eureka Forbes or not, which will improve the company's servicing revenue drastically and reduce counterfeits. There are, I would say, 3 risks in the company right now. The first is the biggest is the key person risk, which is the CEO of the company, MD and CEO, Mr. Prakhar. If he decides one day to exit the firm due to any reason, it would be a big blow to the company's continued growth story until Advent eventually hires a replacement who would continue the company's growth trajectory. Then second is the obvious increase in price of raw materials. Raw materials are increasing because demand is increasing for them. So, this is something that we should not look at as a risk, but as an indicator that the economy is booming. There is great demand for everything. This is actually good for the company. Maybe not for the bottom line, but for the growth story of the company, it's pretty good. Then there is the high perceived valuation. The current PE of the stock is 100. It's trading at 100 PE because the company is making minuscule profits. Basically, I think let me go to the P&L quickly. Wait, where is it? So the company's net profit margin is at a meager 4% right now. From a revenue of 2200, they're basically making 88 crores, 89 crores. That's nothing for the valuation the company is available at. But that's fine. That's because this is a completely completely new category generation company, and P's are always, the company has already been re-rated, and we could see this trend of high PE and this company continuing because the future prospects of this company are extremely good. So the company will, I feel, uphold this high PE in the future while it's increasing their earnings. So there would be a good increase in, could be a good increase in stock price in coming years as well. I say years because this category creation takes time. Sensitizing more and more people to use water purifiers takes time. So an investment horizon of 2 to 3 years could bring fund returns for investors, and we can look at the returns and the risk reward after that period of time. For that, I think for now I'm done talking about this company. If you have any other questions about the company, please feel free to drop in the comment box below. If you like what if you liked this video, I urge you to click the like button as well, and if you are like me interested in knowing about various different listed equities in the Indian stock market, you can subscribe to my channel. I will give weekly updates on whatever research reports I make on those companies, and occasionally I'll put some off-topic videos just for fun as well. So I hope you visit my channel again, and thank you.